Scott, we get targeted by scams constantly. Just today, in fact, we got this letter about a secret shopper scam offering cash for a job that doesn't even exist. 13 Investigates tracks this stuff, and the Better Business Bureau does too. The organization just released its annual Scam Tracker Risk Report. It helps explain how people are targeting us and trying to take our money. The BBB says in the last year it got 47,000 scam complaints. That's one filed every 11 minutes, a huge increase over last year. The BBB says there are more scams out there now than ever, and at the same time, more consumers reporting them. The BBB's top 5 reported scams include online purchases that aren't even delivered. That took over the top spot this year. That's followed by investment and employment scams, loan scams, and fake checks or money orders. The report includes at least 30 different types of scams. Again, there's a lot of them out there. It's worth noting the scammers are getting creative and often masquerading as legitimate companies. The best advice? Be cautious anytime you get a solicitation and file a report if your gut tells you something isn't right.
And the BBB has a way that people can track what scams are happening where they live, right?
Yeah, they do, and it's actually really easy. This is the Scam Tracker map. It lets you zoom into your neighborhood to see the number and type of scams reported to the Better Business Bureau. It explains the scams, what the person wanted, and often includes a detailed narrative from the person who made the report. It's a helpful tool to see what scams are happening in your part of town and to protect yourself from becoming the next victim. We have the link to the Scam Tracker map on the WTHR.com website, plus the latest BBB Scam Risk Report. All that information's there, so you can go in and take a look for yourself.
I think a lot of viewers are going to be very interested to punch in their address, see what's happening.
So many scams, we hear about them every single day.
Right. All right, Bob, thanks.
You're welcome.